Hello, I'm Olanrewaju Adesanya by name. I developed a web application called Get Caregiver. Get Caregiver is a web application for employers and also for caregivers, in which employers can post their job and also the caregivers can get a job concerning their specific area of specification. And why I built this web application, which is called Get Caregiver, is for them because mostly in Nigeria, people usually go to the hospital to get to get people from the hospital to do things for them, trying to check their BP and all the rest concerning health factors. But with this web application, you can just sign up on the web application, which is called Get Caregiver, at your comfort zone in your house, to be able to see people that will definitely apply for the jobs you want. And if you can see on the web application called Get Caregiver, there are so many jobs you can see on the platform which have been posted. So the Get Caregiver also gives a caregiver more opportunities, in which maybe some people they might be doing a part-time job, or they might have a full-time job in which they need a part-time job also. They can just come on the platform. They will definitely see a job for part-time and also for full-time. And the technology used for this Get Caregiver web application is for the interface using HTML5, CSS3 and a Bootstrap to make it more responsive. And for the client side, I use JavaScript, and for the server side, I use PHP OOP. And also for the database, I use MySQL, and also using Workbench to do all my models. So to sign up for people that really want to employ, and you want to post your job so that people will see that yes, you really need someone to be to care for your loved ones, you can just sign up using either as an employer or for caregiver. Because if you click for caregivers, that means you really want to sign up as a caregiver and look for job on the website, on the web app. Also for employer, you need to post job too. So I will sign up as an employer. Here you need to put and here you can see company name, in which companies too can also use the web application, or family. If you are a family, you just need to put your name to indicate that this is a family, and if you're a company, you need to put in your company name. So I'll be signing up as a family. And you put your email, the email you want to use. The password. Choose your gender. And in the case of you choosing a state, and you decide to put in your phone number, and you put in your city, and later now you decide like, okay, the identification number, you don't want to use it, you don't want to put anything in there, and when you click get started, it won't go, and it will throw error to let you fill in it will tell you to fill in the required fields. I achieved this using JavaScript. And when you put in your identification number, which can be either international passport, driver license, or national identity card. So I'm using international passport. And you select the one you fill in then get started. Show it to your dashboard, and you will see that you have your job history, the applied caregivers, and for you not to have any job, you won't have anything in your job history. And when you have your job posted, people applied, and you also see it in your applied caregivers. So I will just post a job. Put in your job title and also your job description, the job requirement. You put in your job requirement, what you really need for the person to have. Choose the open date you want the job to be opened for them. I also choose a closing date so that they won't be able to be applying again. They will already know that the job is already closed. The city. I also choose the state. Then you post the job. Tells you the job is posted successfully, and you can see in your job history that you already have the job in your job history. And when you check your posted jobs too, you definitely see the job there in your posted job. And if you could also check the job being posted, which is needed a caregiver or nurse for your mom. Me not being a caregiver or an employer yet, and I just want to go onto the web application, I can definitely go on the application and see all the jobs being posted, and you can see the featured jobs and the latest jobs. And the latest job being posted by Ade is need a caregiver or nurse for mom. And I'll be signing out. Let me just log in as a caregiver. And here now you can see you have to choose either as an employer or a caregiver. And if you decide not to choose and you just click login, it will throw error and show you that you have to choose either as an employer or a caregiver. And I achieved this using JavaScript. And you choose either as an employer or a caregiver, and when you click login, it will throw it in your dashboard. And when as a caregiver and you want to search for jobs, you just have to click the job search, and you see all the jobs, the latest job being posted by Ade, which is need a caregiver or a nurse for mom. And also if you decide like, okay, yes, I'm in Ibadan right now, or maybe I'm in Benin, and I want to check for other jobs in other states, you can just choose the state you want. Like, okay, I don't want Lagos, I want to maybe choose other states. It will definitely show you jobs in your state, and you definitely be able to click and apply for the jobs too. And if you decide to go back, you still see all the jobs being posted. And also you can, without using the select a state, or maybe you just want to search for a job using the search input, when you click maybe caregiver, it will show you all the caregivers on the web application, in which you can just choose like, okay, yes, I want to apply for this one on the Lagos Island. And when you click it, it will take you to the details of the job, and you apply for the job. And I achieved that search and the select state using asynchronous JavaScript. And let me apply for the job. And I input the email address for people to put in their email they want to use to receive job notification, or maybe where they want to be communicating with the employer is not going to be their personal email, or maybe their official email they want to use. So you put in your official email you want to use, and also the phone number you want to use in receiving calls from the employer. And also here you upload your resume so that the employer will see your resume, the work you've done with people. And then you click apply to give you a notification that your application is sent. And when you click as a caregiver to see your applied jobs, you definitely see the jobs you applied for, which is this is the job you applied for, caregiver or nurse assistant on the Lagos Island. And also and the job this person have is need a caregiver or nurse for mom. So I will go in and apply for that so we could be able to see the job. And also let me upload a picture for this employer. Let me just use this picture and upload for the employer. So now I will now go to apply for the job this employer posted, which is need a caregiver or nurse for mom. Search for jobs and apply for the job. You have your specific phone number you're using. You click to send your resume. And you click apply. It will tell you application sent. And if you go to your applied jobs, you see the recent one you applied for again, which is need a caregiver or nurse for mom. And when the employer try to check applied caregivers, maybe anyone that applied for the jobs, when you click apply caregivers, you definitely see that okay, yes, someone has applied for this job. And the employer can also view more details about the caregiver, that okay, let me check the days available in a week, where the person work presently, and the previous work experience. Also the person can just check, the employer can check it. And the employer can also view the caregiver resume to know about the educational background and the rest. The employer can view the resume of the person. That's everything about Get Caregiver for an employer, and also for people that really want to search for more jobs being a caregiver. And this is a very good platform for them to come in. That's all about Get Caregiver, and Get Caregiver will definitely be coming on all your search engines, and when you see it, kindly just patronize us. Thank you.